Hi, this is Greg Lewis again, coming to you from nether space. No, I want to talk about meditation. This is part 2 of the meditation course that I called Meditation Made Easy. This is the theory behind the meditations. Now see, when you sit in meditation and you open your heart and you take a breath, what you're doing is you're trying to surrender, you're trying to let go, you're trying to relax. And everything that isn't samadhi, isn't love, isn't joy, isn't happiness, is a tension. A tension. It's something that we're fixated on. Anyway, it's something that's an obstacle to our liberation. So what we want to do is we want to take these energies in and feel them expand in your heart and feel them kind of let go. Water in a cloud, it's gaseous and it's covering the earth and it's stopping the sunshine. What happens is that, the sunshine's always there, but the cloud's there too. So tension that keeps it apart, the heat, is kind of removed and it condenses and it drops out and it becomes rain that nourishes the earth, and then, as the rain comes down, not only does the water in the cloud get thinner and thinner, but eventually the sun comes back out again, so there you are, back in samadhi once again. So that's the theory behind that. Now, to talk about the drain, see, sometimes maybe you get too much rain, and it's kind of got to overflow somewhere. So instead of having it flooding your basement or something, you pump it out with a sump pump. So it's kind of the same theory with the drain, where you're driving out, you're pulling out excess tension that will that's causing a problem, really. As you pull it out, your basement dries. As you pump out the sump, your basement stays dry. If it's flooded, it goes down. And you've got a clean basement once again. You've got a clean working space. You're not being drowned in the pools of just wastewater, clogging your psychic mechanism. That's all I can say about it. It's clogging your psychic mechanism. So anyway, this is a simplistic explanation. It's maybe by thinking about this, you'll gain some insight as to how you're practicing. See, you're not just mindlessly happy, you're consciously happy because you've cleared away obstacles that are causing you unhappiness.